Hey everyone, John here, and today I'm going to be doing a box opening for the Aileendoll Play Model Pico Dragon Kit, and this was actually possible because I got a couple of donations through my Ko-fi account, which I'll put a link down below. And thank you so much, Bailey, for your donation. It just meant so much to me. I really wanted to get something special. So, yeah. This was made by a ball-jointed doll company. This is the first time doing a ABS-made doll, and I'm so excited to open this because I really love BJDs, but I can't justify the price for them. And this kit was actually $12, which I'm still amazed about. So, as you can see, I'm actually really quite surprised by how quickly I got this package, because I ordered this just over a week ago and it arrived here. And I picked the cheapest shipping option, which was about $7. So this doll only cost me about $20, and it's pretty close to the other dolls in terms of aesthetics from their line. So I'm really excited to open this up. As you can see, they do bubble wrap it in a box like this, and yeah. As you can see, the Pico Dragon. I'm really excited about this. I really hope that this becomes really successful and they do other molds, because yeah, I'm really surprised by this, because I was just expecting this to be like other kits where I know this dragon comes with just the parts on the sprue, but usually when I buy a kit like that for about the same price, it usually just comes in like a plastic bag with just like a sheet of paper giving you the details. So I'm really surprised that they went out of their way for this. I was gonna use a scissors just to cut the sticker, but it's a really nice sticker, so I'm just gonna peel this open. Yeah. Okay. And here's the kit. Okay, I guess let's just put all of this away. Yeah. And here is the Pico Dragon series Violet. I have heard that they're gonna do more sculpts in the future, so they're really hoping that they can do more sculpts. So yeah, this is why I only bought one of them. Otherwise I would have bought like 3 or 4 and made that. But I really want to see if they're gonna make out other sculpts before I commit to just getting a bunch of purple dragons. And yeah, this is all in Korean, but it's pretty easy to see what's going on. Yeah. Please, yeah. So you're given a bunch of decals and elastic here. Yep, there's also more decals inside here, but I'm just gonna paint it myself, so that's not really relevant to me. But I have to make sure that the elastic's in there. And yeah. These are all the parts. So 1, 2, 3, 9, 7, 4, 5, 8. The white pieces. So, yep. And all these other parts. So let's get this started. I'm just going to use a pair of nail clippers for this, just because I don't have a pair of plastic nippers yet. I'm not sure if I want to get one yet, so yeah. As you can see, it easily breaks apart, but you know, you should just make sure that all the pieces are as smooth as possible, because you want to ensure a tight fit. So yeah. So let's see. Okay, this is C. So this is just like getting a Kinder Egg surprise and having to put together the pieces. So okay, this is part 2. Whoops. This is my first time trying to do this on camera, so please bear with me. Yep. Okay, so that's C3. So is that shaped with little things up there? And then C2. And then open up this package. Oh, okay. See, there's a special little peg like that. You just... Yeah. These pieces really fit together tightly, so... I really hope that I'm able to get these pieces apart if I want to customize, if I want to like paint them, because yeah. I'm really surprised how much friction there is between these pieces. Usually, I expected I was going to need to glue them together, but these parts fit together really snugly. And A20, okay. Okay, 23. I really do hope I can get these apart. And it says to use the eyes for this, but I really don't like the fact that this is an animal doll, so I'm gonna be using these instead. As you can, like, I knew that the eye size was going to be 10 mil across, so I looked for some jewels, and I think this is going to work because they're about half domed, and you know, yeah. Let's get this open. Okay, they barely fit inside, but I'm surprised. I guess these are half domed, so you can't really put in full eyes. So if you had like a pair of glass eyes you're expecting to put inside one of these, you're gonna be a bit disappointed with that. I'm just gonna trim the backs of these down, so, but I'm leaving just a tiny bit amount of it on the back, so I'm able to still grab them without having to damage the front of them. So as you can see, there's these little plastic bits here, so I think if you really do need to fit in other eyes, I think you should carve down them, because these have little notches on the sides. So yeah. Okay, these eyes are a bit hard to insert because I still need... Yeah, I think I'm just gonna... Oh wow. Okay, I guess we didn't even need to do that. We just needed to... Okay, wow. Huh, okay, the push pin parts just fell off really easily. So I guess we didn't even need to trim off the back. Okay. Well, I'm just using jewels for this just because I think it has a nicer effect for a dragon creature rather than putting in human-like eyes. So even though these are the same size and stuff, like, they are a little loose in there, but since I don't need them to be in a specific, like, position, I don't mind. But yeah, I do think adding in new eyes is going to be a lot harder than I initially thought. But yeah. Okay. Now we got that done. Let's start getting the arms done. I wonder if I could just thread this, because this is actually quite a hard cord. I do wonder in the future if they might actually replace the plastic strong parts with you know, like actual friction ball joints, just because, yeah, like, I think that would be really interesting if they just made a, like, figure with a fully, like, without any kind of ball joints to it, but it actually looks like a ball joint doll. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay, it says here to keep it between 2 to 4 mil, since it's a rather okay, there's still more instructions. I'm just gonna leave that as a loose knot for now. I'll tie it tighter when I get around to doing it. When I actually get around to inserting it into the body, because I'd rather have a really tight friction grip than none at all. So I'm actually really surprised how little need I have for the nippers, because the way these are formulated, like, you can just twist them off, and it seems to be working pretty well without needing to trim it. So yeah. So I definitely was worried about doing this. There has been a couple of reviews where they do a much better job explaining how to put this stuff together. So, yay, we got little legs. Little butt. Yep. Little butt. And a little belly. Yeah, I was confused for a second. I sort of had to insert these into there, but you have to have them over the holes, so yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Jeez, John. And we're almost in the home stretch, so yeah. Since I'd rather this be tighter than looser, I'm gonna just, yeah, that still should be enough stretch. So looks like you have to keep the elastic above the pegs in the chest, so... And there's the wings. I don't think I'll be able to get this thing apart again, honestly. Everything's just so friction jointed really, really hard, so... I think when I'm gonna customize this, I'm definitely not gonna be able to take it apart because there's so many little pegs and stuff. But yeah, when you look at that, just that was relatively painless. This is my first time doing this kind of formatted video, so if you would like to see me do a bit more like this without my face in the video, please let me know. And thank you so much again to Bailey for donating to my Ko-fi account. I'm so happy that like someone out there thought that my work was worth like some kind of value to them. So, and yeah. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.